Well, Jose, this is the video you asked us for giving in a way our opinion and how does the book that we read this bimester enthrall by our generation and obviously myself. So first of all, uh, after reading the book and what we have talked in class, it's it's really important to say that that the book it's really emphatical, we could say, in knowing ourselves. And during all the whole book, we get to try to answer what is the method to get to know ourselves in the best way. So personally, after the last discussion that we had in class, my real opinion over the book is that it's it's really good. It's a really good book in the philosophical way. It's a book that states some facts or some ideas that when you overthink and get into them, like to the point that they want to show, you start thinking really who you are, how these questions that the book make about our personality, about how the personality gets into us, it's really important. During the whole book, what what I most like was the chapters we read before the discussion, in which we said that every person has one thing, one in a million things that make that person unique. So after exploring that and trying to find another meanings to what we just discussed that day, I found that in such a way we need to also realize that what we are is also a construction of the people who surround us. All what we made, all our decisions are based on how it would be regretted by other people. You know, all our decisions and points of view are markable into what other people tries to show for you to make you see over their eyes. Now getting into your question, how does the book could be part or change the mind of our generation? I think that it's important to mention that the book states that we always should be searching about that 1 million thing. And I think that this generation, in a way, not as the book, not as Thomas in the book that finds sex as his passion and his way to know with the other. In this generation, we all of us are trying to find that part of who we are, really in different ways, really in many expressions of our personality. But we're in a constant search of what we are and who we are, and most important, in the moment that we are in our lives. In less than a month, or not a month, a year, we will have to be deciding what to study, where, this, what to do the rest of our lives. So I think that the moment in which we read this book is really important because it helps us to understand who we are and how does knowing ourselves could get and help us to to see our future in a more clear way. Understanding that if we do not know ourselves, then who will know us better than us? It's very hard to get a better future or to manage a real future that could make passion up. So to the book, I think that it helped that every member of this generation stated in his mind, well, who I am, what does I really like, and how does these things that I like make me special? How does these things are the 1 million thing over the others? Thank you.